Connect the power supply to the device. Turn on the main power switch. Turn on the smartphone. Open the HAD app and connect to Wi-Fi. The device is now ready to start working. The ZETA Natural Diamond Scanner can test batches of loose diamonds, and its software has the functionality to match and automatically count the diamonds, categorizing the test results. Please ensure that the stone stage is placed within the jewelry stage. Maintain a certain gap between the stones. Clustering stones will deteriorate the analyzing capability of device. Place the loose stone into the loose stone stage and click Start to begin testing. Stones of blue box in original/result image represents natural diamonds. Stones green box need further test. Stone of red box in original/result image represents laboratory grown diamonds. For details, compare color bar image below with fluorescence image. The ZETA Natural Diamond Scanner can test mounted diamond jewelry in bulk, such as rings, bracelets, pendants, and earrings, and automatically identifies whether the diamonds are natural or lab-grown. Place the diamond jewelry into the jewelry stage and click Start to begin testing. Red and yellow marks in result image represent CVD and HPHT diamonds. For others, compare color bar image below with fluorescence image. provide information about the software version. The system will prompt updates and download the latest version when available. Additionally, users can download the user
New
manual
version
for
found.
reference.
Start to download, please. New version download complete. Start installation, please.